Hey Steve, Phil here from Peak Time Racing. So I have a very similar camera to what you have, and I've got the same lens as you, the 15 to 45 f3.5 lens, and this is the kit lens that's included with your camera. And as you can see, my picture here is very dark. I've got my frame rate set on 30 frames per second. It's 1080p HD, and my shutter speed is 1-60, and my ISO is set to 400. So this is the picture quality that you're getting because this lens only goes down to an f3.5. So we're going to switch right now to the Sigma 16mm lens, same settings, but it's an f1.4. And here we are, exactly the same settings, 1080p, 30 frames per second, 1-60 for your shutter speed, and then it's an f1.4 compared to the f3.5 on the kit lens. So you can see just how crazy crisp, clear quality this is. And this is a very low light setting. You can see it's very dark behind me. The only light that you're getting is just from my computer monitors, which are in front of me. But you can see just how much more clear the picture quality is. And it's only at a 400 ISO. So if I were to bump the ISO up really high on the kit lens, you could get it to this brightness, but it's not going to be as crystal clear quality. You're going to see a lot of that pixelation on my face. So I decided to put the kit lens back onto the camera, and then I kicked the ISO up all the way up to 6400 ISO so I could get the same brightness effect on the kit lens camera as I do have to the Sigma 16mm. So for the same brightness, we have a 400 ISO on the Sigma lens and a 6400 ISO on the kit lens. And you can see that it still doesn't look horrible on like a smaller screen. I'm looking at it on the small screen of the camera, but there's a lot more pixelation when you look at it on a full screen. So that's why having a lens that has a higher or a lower aperture number, the f1.4, it allows in a lot more light, which keeps the crystal clear quality picture. So if you need any help with any settings or anything like that, then just let me know and I'll walk you through it.